a suction curettage, the contents of the uterus are sucked out with a narrow tube. This procedure is available in Belgium up to 14 weeks after your last period. The procedure takes about 15 minutes and is done under local anesthesia. You will stay at the abortion center for a total of 1 to 3 hours. A counselor will be with you before, during and after the procedure. In preparation for the procedure, your doctor will give you antibiotics, a painkiller, and medication to soften the cervix. This medication needs some time to take effect. You will be taken to a separate room. An ultrasound will be done before the procedure. Then you will sit in a gynecological chair. The doctor will insert a speculum or duckbill type device into the vagina and disinfect it. The cervix will be locally anesthetized with a small injection. That means you won't feel any pain in that area. The doctor will use a speculum to insert a narrow tube into your uterus. The endometrium and pregnancy tissue are then aspirated out through the tube. This will take a few minutes. During the procedure, the uterus will contract, which may cause temporary, moderate to severe menstrual cramping. After the procedure, you will rest for a while. If everything goes normally, you can go home afterwards. You may experience cramps and spotting for some time after the procedure. That's normal. Sometimes the bleeding may last a week, and sometimes it will last until your next period. You will have your next period in 4 to 6 weeks. Most people can return to work or other activities the next day. You can become pregnant again immediately after a suction curettage. That's why it's important to start using contraception right away. You can also request to have an IUD inserted immediately after the procedure. Abortion is normal and safe. Complications are rare. Are you bleeding heavily through more than 2 pads an hour for at least 2 hours in a row? Or have you had a fever that's above 38 degrees for more than a day? Then contact the abortion center or your GP. You can also get in touch with Luna if you need someone to talk to.